Have you ever gazed at the stars and wondered what lies beyond our comprehension? Have you pondered the future of humanity and the limitless potential that we, as a collective, can achieve? The future of humanity is a subject that excites our imagination and stirs our souls. Today, we receive an insightful message from the Arcturian High Council, inviting us to explore deeper dimensions of our existence. This message is not just about the curiosity of extraterrestrial intelligence, but about realizing the profound depths within ourselves and our connection to the universe. As we navigate through the complexities of modern life, we often find ourselves caught in cycles that limit our full potential. Yet deep within, there is a yearning to understand our purpose and to transcend these limitations. The Arcturian High Council speaks to this inner calling, urging us to see beyond the surface of our daily lives. They tell us that we are on the brink of a monumental shift, a shift that involves not just technological advancements, but a profound evolution of our consciousness. Future societies will no longer revolve solely around material success and personal achievements. The essence of our collective future lies in unity, compassion, and a shared sense of purpose. The Arcturian High Council emphasizes the importance of moving towards a more community-oriented existence. This is not just about living together, but truly understanding and supporting one another. In the future, our success will be measured by how well we uplift and inspire each other rather than by individual accolades. Education will undergo a transformation that places equal importance on emotional intelligence and spiritual growth as it does on academic and technical knowledge. We will teach our children not just to excel in subjects, but to cultivate empathy, kindness, and resilience. The wisdom of our ancestors combined with advanced learning methodologies will create a balanced and harmonious curriculum that nurtures the whole being. Technology will continue to evolve at a rapid pace, but it will do so with a more conscious mindset. Instead of focusing on product consumerism, future technologies will emphasize sustainability and the betterment of all life forms on our planet. The Arcturian High Council foresees a world where technology enhances our natural environment rather than depletes it. By harnessing clean energy and innovative solutions, we will create an ecosystem where humans and nature coexist in perfect harmony. Healthcare will also see incredible advancements, transcending the treatment of symptoms to focus on holistic well-being. Preventative care will be the norm as we understand the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and spiritual health. Ancient healing practices will merge with cutting-edge medical technologies to offer personalized and effective care. A healthy society is not just free of disease, but flourishing in every aspect of life. Economically, the disparity between the rich and the poor will diminish as we adopt fairer systems that ensure equitable distribution of resources. We will prioritize community well-being over individual wealth accumulation. The collaborative spirit will drive economic models that respect the rights and contributions of every person. As we adopt these new paradigms, we will create a more balanced and just world. The Arcturian High Council also underscores the significance of environmental stewardship. We must become guardians of our planet, recognizing that our survival is intrinsically linked to the health of our ecosystems. Future societies will be characterized by their respect for natural resources and their commitment to sustainable living practices. We will develop innovative solutions to combat climate change and restore the delicate balance of our world. Art and creativity will flourish in ways we've never seen before, becoming central to our existence rather than a peripheral pursuit. Creativity will be recognized as a vital component of human expression and collective identity. We will encourage each other to explore our artistic passions, using them as a form of communication and bonding. Art will no longer be confined to galleries and stages, but will be woven into the fabric of everyday life. Spiritually, we will deepen our understanding of who we are and our place in the cosmos. The Arcturian High Council reminds us of the pervading energy that connects all beings. They encourage us to meditate and reflect, to open our minds and hearts to the universal truths. Spiritual growth will become a communal activity, transcending religious labels and focusing on the shared quest for enlightenment and inner peace. Communication will evolve, breaking down linguistic barriers through advanced translation technologies and telepathic capabilities. Misunderstandings and conflicts rooted in language will diminish, paving the way for more harmonious interactions. This enhanced mode of communication will allow us to truly understand the perspectives of others, fostering deeper connections and more compassionate relationships. Interpersonal relationships will thrive in this new world. Honesty, understanding, and mutual respect will form the foundation of our interactions. We will learn the importance of listening deeply and speaking with intent, knowing that our words and actions have profound impacts on those around us. These relationships will not only be the bedrock of our personal lives, but will also extend to our broader communities, creating a ripple effect of positivity and trust. The Arcturian High Council also speaks of the importance of self-discovery and personal mastery. Each of us holds a universe within, and by exploring our inner landscapes, we can tap into boundless wisdom and potential. They encourage practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and reflection to help us connect with our true selves. By understanding and mastering our inner world, we can effect positive change in the outer world. The future of humanity is a shared dream, a vision that requires collective effort, wisdom, and love. The Arcturian High Council's message is a call to action, inviting us to step into our roles as co-creators of a brighter, more harmonious world. Their message serves as both guidance and inspiration, reminding us of our immense capabilities and the beautiful future that awaits when we come together with a shared purpose. The children of tomorrow will look back on this era as a turning point in human history. They will see that we chose hope over fear, unity over division, and love over indifference. Our actions today lay the foundation for their future, a future where they can thrive, create, and explore without the limitations we currently face. Governance will also adapt to these new paradigms. Leadership will become more inclusive and representative, ensuring that the voices of all people are heard and valued. Decision-making processes will be transparent and participative, fostering trust and collaboration within society. The leaders of tomorrow will prioritize the collective good and have the wisdom to navigate the complexities of an interconnected world. Peace will become the norm rather than the exception. As we evolve, the reasons for conflict will diminish. We will learn the importance of dialogue and compromise, valuing the sanctity of human life above all else. Global cooperation will ensure that all nations work together towards common goals, such as eradicating poverty and preserving our planet. Science and spirituality will no longer be seen as opposing forces, but as complementary aspects of our quest for knowledge and understanding. The Arcturian High Council envisions a world where these two realms coexist, providing a holistic view of our existence. Scientific discoveries will inspire spiritual insights, and spiritual practices will guide scientific endeavors. As we embrace this message, we are reminded that change begins within each of us. It is in the small, everyday actions that we lay the groundwork for a better future. By choosing kindness, practicing gratitude, and striving for personal growth, we contribute to the collective evolution of humanity. Our connection with the cosmos will deepen, revealing the intricate web of existence that links us with all life forms. We will develop a sense of cosmic citizenship, understanding our responsibilities not just to our planet, but to the universe. This expanded awareness will drive efforts to explore space with a respect for its mysteries and a commitment to preserving its integrity. The Arcturian High Council's message is a beacon of hope and wisdom. It reminds us that we are not alone in our quest and that higher intelligences are guiding and supporting us. This guidance calls us to rise above our current challenges and to envision a world where peace, love, and understanding prevail. The future of humanity is a story that we are writing together. Each of us has a role to play, and each act of kindness, each step towards self-improvement, and each moment of awareness contributes to this unfolding narrative. Let us embrace this vision with open hearts and minds, knowing that the best is yet to come. As we conclude this exploration of our potential future, let us take a moment to reflect on the profound wisdom shared by the Arcturian High Council. Their message is a testament to our limitless potential and the beautiful tapestry of life that we are all a part of. Let us carry this vision forward, inspiring each other to reach new heights and to create a world worthy of our deepest dreams and aspirations. Each of us holds the key to this future. An inspiring, fulfilling, and harmonious world awaits. It is within our grasp, and it begins now.